just everywhere throughout Cortez. Just water everywhere. This is Anna Maria Island as you cross over the Cortez Bridge, just following a fire truck, first responder up ahead. The water's really high. This is what the causeway looks like right now. It is very gusty and the wind is pretty strong, pushing out of the south on the way to Anna Maria. The wind is blowing very strong right now. Strong. Ironically, in front of the town hall. So yeah, I mean the water here is a good couple inches high, and with the wind you could tell it's moving. So there are rescue vehicles here that are high off the ground. The ugly grouper over here, you could tell. That's all flooded. And then here's the Holmes Beach City Hall, the library, and the police station up ahead. So yeah, it's a lot of water. The water level in the bay has definitely gone down. Earlier this afternoon it crested onto the street. Right now the island is draining back off into the bay. So that's great. That's good news. This is where the road forks. It becomes Marina Drive to the right at the church, and then Palm continues to the left. And it looks not just flooded, obviously, but there's some trees down up ahead here as well. So there's a Humvee positioned over here. There's a car stuck down there, it seems. So yeah, especially when you have a vehicle that's low and you don't know exactly where to go, it's not a good situation to be in. Let me see if I can help them quick. So yeah, completely flooded there and going down further. I mean, I won't lie to you. It's really treacherous out. So this is on the corner of 82nd Street. There's definitely water inside that house. This is across the street as the water's starting to creep up. Yep, just everywhere. This pumping station, the little red lights flashing on the corner of 85th and Gulf at the church, there's a lot of water here, so I sure hope it keeps pumping, that we can get this drained. And overnight, especially with the wind and everything, the surge is coming overnight, that it doesn't get worse. This is what Cross Point Fellowship looks like, their children's play area right now. Walking down Oak Avenue, you can hear the wind through the trees, but you can also hear the water rushing on the beach side. I mean, it's sort of a awe feeling. It's powerful. It you know, my innards reverberate, to be honest.
Okay, very weird catfish, I guess, on our driveway during a tropical storm. Very much alive. Touch it, Donald. Touch it. Oh, there it is.
It's walking.
It's walking away. Not sure how it got here or where it's trying to get to. Whoa. Weird. Alright, maybe we'll help it along. Bye, catfish. Bye, catfish.